You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name in Spanish and also in French, and how you can say it in English as well. Both French and Spanish pronunciations are similar. Mélina is a French pronunciation, Mélina in Spanish. Therefore, in English you can simply pronounce it as Mélina or Mélina. How do you pronounce it yourself? Let us know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.